In this lecture, we will start with downloading the GNS3 package for Windows machine. So we have to go and navigate to gns3.com and then click on free download. So the download is free, the GNS3 software is free, but you have to have an account on the GNS3 community. So if you don't have an account, in the sign up tab, you'll have to fill in all the details and create one. Or if you have one, go to login, fill in the email address and password and click login and continue. Now we have the option to choose what installer we want to download. Because this is a Windows installation, I will choose this package and download. Please also note that we will download in another lecture the GNS3 VM, and the goal is to integrate this VM with the GUI, the graphical user interface of GNS3, for better performance and scalability. But for now, let's go and click download. Now the download will start immediately, and after the download starts, we will start the installation on the PC. So navigate and show in folder. I'll double click it. Yes. So now I will do just a basic installation, no fancy options or changing the installation. Yes, I agree. I will leave the default folder name as GNS3. Click on next. Here we have to choose what components we want the installation wizard to also install, well, along with the GNS3 software. So very quickly, WinPCAP software, Wireshark, SolarWinds, this is something I don't need for the labs. Dynamips, it's important, it will emulate and run the original Cisco iOS images. QEMU is also very important, it will help us run all the KVM, the kernel VMs, and emulate software. Virtual PC, it's a lightweight version of a PC. You don't have a graphical user interface like we have, as you see now, on Windows, but we are able to run basic commands like ping, from one side to the other of the network. And it is a useful tool because it doesn't consume so much computing power or memory. And I will just demo with this virtual PC in the upcoming lecture. So how to build a topology and use the virtual PC simulator. Now GNS3 is the software that obviously we have to have it checked as for installation, and we have also another two packages like Tide VNC Viewer and VirtViewer. So for now I will leave everything as default, but I will not install the SolarWinds response time viewer. So just click next now. I will leave the default path to the GNS3 folder and click install. Now because I don't have the WinPCAP software installed, it will guide me and install the WinPCAP driver, and I will leave this checkbox here on automatically starting the WinPCAP driver at boot time of the PC, obviously. Now the WinPCAP setup wizard has finished successfully, so I click finish. It gives, for whatever reason, an error while downloading the Wireshark. So if I try to do it, it won't work. Maybe in your case it won't happen, but there's no big problem. I will just do the Wireshark installation separately. So do you want to retry? I will click no. In the meantime, I would like to say that you may encounter some problems with the installation if you run a specific antivirus. So for example, AVG, it's very aggressive on the installation. It will not let you do it or will damage it, or maybe some other antiviruses as well. You may also encounter problems while doing the installation or after the installation when trying to run the software if you have the Windows firewall on. So just to know that you may need to deactivate this at least while installing the software. I encountered some problems with the Windows firewall, so it's now active because if I encounter the problems again, I want to show you how to probably solve these issues. But anyway, for the best result, you should just deactivate Windows Firewall and any antivirus that you may run on your PC. So the installation is complete. I will just click now next. So for the SolarWinds standard toolset, I'm given the opportunity to accept a free license, but I don't need it, so I'll click no and click next. And now I'll just start GNS3. So click finish. Okay, so thank you for downloading and installing GNS3. Let's see how it looks. So you will see this coming up a couple of times, but you don't need to stick to it. So just click cancel. Basically your PC will show up in the server summary here. So I will maximize it, and yes, this is perfect. I see the green ball here, meaning that it's running okay. So let's complete also the installation. I will go now and search for, let's say, download Wireshark for Windows. Wireshark download. It's a very useful tool when you want to analyze packets that are traversing your interfaces. So I will do the installation. I have clicked on the Windows installer. I'm running a 64-bit version of Windows, so this is why I have clicked this option. Let's go and show in folder. Run the setup for Wireshark. Yes. I'll minimize again these windows so they are not disturbing us. So let's click next. I agree. I will leave everything as default. Click next. Yes, associating extensions and creating shortcuts. No worries. Next. Next. Well, I have the option to install WinPCAP here, but it's not needed because the GNS3 has installed it by default. You've seen the options there, so I just click next. I will not leave this box checked. And next. And I just wait now for the installation to finish. In the meantime, we'll have to, you see here, please create a project, and after we create a project we will start seeing available options here under router, switches and devices, also security devices, and here are all the devices. So it's complete. Next, we can run Wireshark or just finish. So see you in the next lecture.